Here we have an unboxing again for you this month. This is the Steel to Reel, and this is for the month of March. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So the first item in the box is a Gameskeeper rugged sheath for this blade inside, which is really cool. This is a Woods 2 table, skinning blade and gut hook. It's a single piece design blade with a curved wide blade for efficient skinning. It's got a hardened steel blade, and it comes with this really cool sheath. Second item here up is the biodegradable wipes for, taking care of yourself when you're out in the backwoods. They are body cleansing wipes so that you don't have to take a shower. They say they are sulfate free, recyclable packaging. They are PF, paraben free, and they are biodegradable. So these are great for wiping down after a trail run or getting fresh after a night of camping. From 1 wipe for a light refresh and 2 wipes for a full body shower substitute. These bamboo material tear perfectly into smaller strips to allow you to make the most out of just 1 strip. I will definitely use those next time I am on trail. Next item I see is a Paracord cleat. I've seen a lot of different versions of these. These are really lightweight based on feel. And as you can see, you wind paracord free through this so that you don't have to tie knots, and then you can quickly unengage it and take it back out. Those are always handy, and with as light as those are, they will probably go in my backpacking setup. And the last item in the box is an InstaFire kit. So let's take a look at what's inside. It's got this Velcro patch up the front for easy customization, and it's got a pocket in the front here. So this has got several of those fire ropes, which I've seen a bunch. They are the instant fire ropes for immediate heat sources. You can pull these apart and start a large fire with them. I have seen these used a lot. They seem to be fairly waterproof as well. We have the instant fire starter. Lights up to 4 fires. Pour into a pile, light with a lighter, and away you go. Here's, I have 2 of those. I have this really burly Instalight Fire Striker, which I have a feeling I'm going to have to get through this. Oh well. We've got this. So next up is we've got this really burly Fire Striker, which also has a handy measuring stick and some 550 cord. And last but not least, let's see, what's this? This is one of those InstaFire Striker lighters. So, let's see. Let me get it open. Oh, yep. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but yeah, it creates this really hot flame. Oh, and it's got a little light on the bottom. So these are usually USB chargeable. So I will find how I recharge, but this will be really handy. This will definitely make it into my kit. So I am going to look further into this But as a recap, we have the InstaFire kit, we got the Paracord cleat, got the biodegradable wipes, and the Gamekeeper Hunter knife. Thank you very much for joining me on this unboxing, and until next time, stay safe on trail, enjoy the outdoors, and have fun enjoying Mother Earth. Thank you.